quick minimalistic yogurt soup to cure your slightly cracked voice. I don't know, I feel fine, I feel great, but for some reason my voice got lost. But that's not important. Most importantly, we can make this together. I'll try it and everything will be just great. We need 1 egg, room temperature or cold, doesn't really matter. About 1.5 cups of yogurt. I get this plain yogurt. Let me show you the label. It's really good. This one, I get it from Trader Joe's. How much did I get? Okay, about 1.5 cup. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, like half a cup of water, cold water. And also I washed and drained jasmine rice, about 1/4 of a cup. Let me mix this together. I'll add the rice and I'll let you know the rest. I should have beaten the egg first of all. I know my voice is funny, but most importantly, I'm not funny. Okay, so this is ready. I'm adding the rice and I'll bring this to a quick boil. And we will also need some salt and mint or any of your favorite aromatic herbs. Okay, to this side. I'm gonna give this a quick stir just to combine everything together and let it boil. That's it. Waiting. This came to a boil. We're adding more boiling water, about 3 to 4 cups. Just like so. And we'll let this cook until the rice is fully cooked. And the soup is called Tanav. There are many variations of this soup from Armenian cuisine, and this variant is mostly made high on wishes in Sunni region. So I'm sure I made already different kinds of tanav or sapas or yogurt soup, but this is probably one of my favorites. It's a healing soup. Lovely. Go wash your hands. This has been cooking about 10 minutes in medium to low heat, and what you need to do, simply check the readiness of rice, and it's pretty much ready. That's it. I know it's surprisingly easy but incredibly delicious. And at this point you can go ahead and add the salt to taste. If you wanna add a stick of butter, no, we don't want stick of butter, small piece of butter, that's another good addition, but I wanna keep it very light this time. No butter should be added. I'll give this a stir, turn it off, and add the herbs, and that's it. Just remove the tough parts. You need just the soft leaves. Quick chop chop to release the flavor. Also, if you don't have fresh mint on hand, you can use dry mint. It works just fine. Cilantro works perfect, but in this region, Sunni, they would add fresh mint, so I want to keep strictly to the recipe. Alright, adding this, and it's time to taste. Quick stir, oops, and a quick splash is fine too. Are you noticing I'm trying not to talk too much? But after this soup, my voice will be just smooth, like a smooth voice. Okay, I'm tasting it. Done with our photo session successfully. It's really amazingly comforting, and you have to try it to find out. Okay, it's okay, no worries. I'll wipe it. you wanna serve yourself nice and neat dish. I've been waiting for this moment since morning. Speechless. It's super easy, very delicious, very light, and very comforting. So, detailed recipe, I'll link it in the description. Try it, make sure you comment how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.